Imagine being born with a single faulty gene, just one misspelling in 3 billion letters. And that one error means your muscles waste away, or your immune system never develops, or you slowly go blind. For most of human history, that was simply your fate. But in the last decade, something remarkable has happened. Scientists have figured out how to deliver a correct copy of that gene directly into your cells and restore function. Gene therapy has moved from science fiction to signed prescriptions. Gene therapy is the treatment of disease by introducing, altering, or replacing genetic material within a patient's cells. As we covered in Series 1, genes are segments of DNA that encode instructions for making proteins. When a gene is mutated, disease can result. Gene therapy aims to fix the problem at its root. There are two broad strategies: in vivo gene therapy, where genetic material is delivered directly into the patient's body, and ex vivo gene therapy, where cells are modified outside the body. Think of it this way: in vivo therapy is like mailing a repair kit directly to a factory. Ex vivo therapy is like taking a broken machine back to the workshop to fix it before reinstalling it. To get these genes into cells, we need delivery vehicles, or vectors. Two types are critical: adeno-associated virus, or AAV, and lentiviral vectors. AAV is a small virus that doesn't cause disease. Critically, it does not integrate into your genome. It persists as a separate piece of DNA called an episome. Different AAV types prefer different tissues. AAV9 crosses the blood-brain barrier to target neurons, while AAV8 targets the liver. This precision is invaluable. Lentiviral vectors, derived from a harmless version of HIV, do integrate their payload permanently. This is essential for treated stem cells that must last a lifetime. How does a lab finding become a therapy? Through rigorous trials. Phase 1 tests safety in small groups. Phase 2 looks for efficacy signals. Phase 3 is the large-scale pivot trial against standard treatments. Let's look at landmarks. Luxturna, the first FDA-approved gene therapy for inherited blindness. Zolgensma, a one-time infusion for spinal muscular atrophy that saves infants' lives. It's not without risks, and costs are high. But with over 3,000 trials underway, gene therapy is no longer just a dream. It is, for many, a cure. For more stories on the intersection of medicine and humanity, visit unbedsidemanners.com.